Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2011 Topps Marquee Box Break. First one of these I've done. Okay, and like I said in the last one, I went through these really quickly tonight, so if your names are by the wrong team, it's not a big deal. You'll be getting the right ones. I do it all based off of, what eBay says, not what those sheets say. I just have those so you know I'm doing the auction, or the break after the auctions ended. So we got Jeff Keppinger, Kyle Blanks, Michael Morse, Tom Seaver, David Ortiz, Desmond Jennings, Jeff Karstens, Kelly Shopik, Josh Reddick, Mike Leake. Aroldis Chapman, Seth Smith, Scott Baker, Buster Posey, Jared Weaver, Nolan Ryan, Timeless Talents, Michael Pineda, Rick Porcello, Denard Span, Emilio Bonifacio, and Hanley Ramirez. Philip Humber, AJ Burnett, Carlos Gomez, Stephen Drew, Texas Rangers, David Robinson, Mitch Moreland, Ubaldo Jimenez, Johnny Cueto, Adam Jones. Mark Reynolds, Franklin Gutierrez, Nolan Ryan, Ryan Sandberg, Addison Reed, Ted Lilly, Matt Garza, Adam Lind, Matt Moore, and the active AL batting average leaders. Miguel Montero, Matt Holliday, Blake Beavan, Cal Ripken Jr., Michael Taylor, Brett Wallace, Michael McHenry, Clay Buchholz, and 2011 AL ERA leaders. Carlos Corporan, Mark Trumbo, Michael Martinez, Brett Gardner, Jeremy Hellickson, Chris Parmalee, Dontrell Willis, Melky Cabrera, David Freese, Josh Hamilton. Adrian Beltre, Juan Nicasio, Johnny Peralta, Edwin Jackson, Mark Teixeira, Ivan Nova, Kevin Gregg, Ricky Nolasco, Jason Worth, and Javi Guerra. John Danks, Curtis Granderson, CC Sabathia, Timeless Talents, Hernandez Pineda, Kelvin Herrera, Chad Billingsley, Starlin Castro, Mike Miner, Tony Gwynn, and Brett Cecil. Mike Napoli, Nate Shearholtz, Ian Kennedy, Nolan Ryan, Jay Bruce, Mark Trumbo, Jason Bourgeois, Grady Sizemore, Detroit Tigers, and Starlin Castro. So, no bonus hit. And if all you get is base between the two boxes, let me show the box because I definitely showed this on the video, the Chrome video. If you want to go back and look, there was the Topps logo I pointed out near Cal, and there's the other one right on its hip. Yeah, if you only get base, you can work something out for credit for half your shipping in the form of a store credit on HobbyBoxBreakers.com. Of course, there's 4 individually wrapped boxes in here. First pack. Okay, Joey Votto bronze parallel, numbered out of 199. Joe DiMaggio, Roy Campanella, Joe Morgan, and the first hit is a on-card auto of Drew Storen for the Washington Nationals. A blue parallel of Pee Wee Reese, numbered out of 299. Ozzie Smith, Robinson Cano, Josh Hamilton, and a Titanic Threads Pablo Sandoval, number 7 out of 50. Put those in. There should be one more. I think there's 2 autos and 2 relics in each box. That's a thick one. Tony Gwynn, bronze, numbered out of 199. Carl Crawford, Cy Young, Carlos Gonzalez, and a Game Time Mementos, Jimmy Rollins with a nice patch there. Numbered 136 out of 199. Last mini box. We got Brandon Belt blue parallel numbered out of 299. Ubaldo Jimenez, Jared Weaver, David Wright, and acclaimed impressions of Marlon Byrd. So a little disappointing with the autos in this box for the Cubs. So our 4 hits were the Marlon Byrd dual relic auto. It's probably honestly the nicest card, the Jimmy Rollins quad relic. The Drew Storen on-card auto. And the last one is Pablo Sandoval Titanic Threads, numbered out of 50, lowest number of the box. So I'll probably be doing another one of these. Surely we'll have better luck next time. I'd like to see one of those museum collections, so maybe we'll do it till we hit one of those. I just put up 2 more for the midweek. Allen and Ginter and Topps Chrome. So check those out. Check out the website. If you just got base cards, like I said, and you not interested in them, send me a message and I'll give you a credit on the website once you sign up for half of the or partial shipping. Thanks again, and get your cards out tomorrow, hopefully.